Hey everyone, I want to give a quick shout out to Ron at SoMo Diecast. He's got something really cool about to happen, and to celebrate, he has something really special. Stick around, I'll tell you about it. Okay guys, as most of you know, I've done a couple of 1/64th scale, I don't want to say customs or restorations, but kind of reworked them a little bit, and I've got three more stripped that I'm trying to put together a plan on. And you never really think about when you disassemble diecast, okay, how do you do it? What's the best thing to strip diecast metal with? How do you clean the interior? How do you prep it for primer? Because it's a different type of plastic. How do you take the tires off without damaging anything? And Ron at SoMo Diecast, who's a high school classmate of mine, actually has a channel, SoMo Diecast, and that's what he does, is he restores, customizes, and it's really fun stuff. But let me tell you, he's got a great artistic mind. Some of the stuff he comes up with that you're going to see here is just absolutely cool, and it has inspired a couple of little things that I do with the 24th, 25th scale. But he goes into all kinds of really cool stuff, from body prep, painting, all of that stuff. And as you see these cars, as the slides are going by here, he custom makes these decals. He's got a gasser, little drag car. He's got a truck series truck. They're just some cool little hot rods through this thing. But Ron does a lot of really cool stuff, and explaining how it all works and all of that stuff. Well, Ron is just a few subscribers away from 1,000. And when he hits that 1,000, he's going to be doing a drawing, and it's a really cool prize, or prizes. I think there's 15 or 18 die casts that he's going to be giving away in a drawing, live drawing, and there's a few tools in there, and I'm going to attach the link right down here so you can go over and check out the video that shows what he's going to be giving away and all that stuff. But as far as learning how to work with die casts, this guy's got it together. This is some really, really good stuff. The promo code for entering the drawing is in there, and you know what? Help him out. He's just a few from 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and give him a sub, and that way you can register for the giveaway. But it's really cool stuff. And check out some of his videos. They're really, really cool things in there. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Appreciate you watching. Thank you in advance for giving him the sub, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.